Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a moving profile picture on TikTok. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your TikTok. After that, what you want to do is click on your profile. After you are in your profile, just click on edit profile. Now for some reason it isn't showing change video option as it is showing as change photo, but you will see right here. That's how you can add a moving profile pictures, example videos and GIF. You just have to extract it and upload it. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to hit thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.